Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Let's Learn. Today's our topic is displacement diagram for simple harmonic motion in cams and followers. So let's start. First, we will assume the lift or stroke of the follower is 6 centimeters. Okay, so the stroke is 6 centimeters. So first of all, we will draw an vertical line of 6 centimeters. Okay, we have drawn a vertical line of 6 centimeters into here, and now by keeping ruler like this, we have to draw horizontal lines along this end and along this end. Now we have taken this, it is as the stroke length. I will represent it here. This is the stroke length or lift, we can say, which is 6 centimeters. Yes, so this is 6 centimeters. So now we have to divide this. First of all, we have to take a compass and draw a semicircle from the mid of this line. So let us do. So mid of the line is here, which is at 3 centimeters because it is 6 centimeters. So now by keeping this here and take this 3 centimeters as radius, draw a semicircle. So like this we have drawn a semicircle. Now because it is of 6 centimeters, we have to divide this semicircle into 6 equal halves. Okay, we know that semicircle is of 180 degrees, so if we have to divide this into 6 equal parts, one part will be of 30 degrees. So by taking this protractor, we will take 30 degrees, 30 degrees here again, then it is 60 degrees, again 90 degrees, again here 120 degrees, again here 150 degrees, and this. So like this we can divide this circle into 6 equal parts. This is one part, and this is second, third, 4, 5 and 6 is this. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now keep it as numbering 0. This is 1, this has 2, this has 3, 4, 5 and this has 6. Okay, these points. Now this semicircle we have to draw only in case of simple harmonic motions, not in other cases. Okay, so now we will take the outstroke as let's assume it as 60 degrees. Okay, if it is 60 degrees, then we have to take a ruler and draw 6 centimeters on this line. Take 6 centimeters here. So now we know that this is the till here to here, it is the outstroke. Okay, now we will see for dual 1. Okay, let us assume dwelling is for 40 degrees. So we have to take ruler again and take 4 centimeters from here to here. Now again draw a vertical line. So total this from here to here, it is the dual period. This is the outstroke, this is the dual one. Now we have to take it for return stroke, which is also same as the outstroke. It is, we will assume it as 60 degrees. take 6 centimeters again. If it is 60 degrees, we have to take 6 centimeters. It means it will come till here. Draw this line and join it above. So okay, we will elongate this also. So we have to join here this 6 centimeters. We have take, this is the return stroke. Okay, so this half stroke, dwell 1, return stroke, and remaining other angle will be our dwelling 2. Okay, this all will be dwell 2 from here to remaining. So this is of 6 centimeters. So make 6 parts of this line, which means one part will of 1 centimeter. So take points. We have take 1 centimeter and we have divided this into 6 equal parts by joining like these lines. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now make it a numbering, this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this will become 6. Okay. Now this one and this one intersecting point where these both will get intersect, here we have to make point. Again we have to look it for second. See this 2 and this 2 where these are intersecting, we have to see these are intersecting it here, this point. So make a point here, and we have to look it similarly for third and this third. These are intersecting at here. Now this fourth and this fourth, and this fifth and this fifth, and this sixth and this sixth are intersecting here. So highlight these points, this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to get points. So now we have to join all these points by a smooth curve, because this is a simple harmonic motion. So we will join all points by smooth curve. So this is the curve for outstroke. Now we will come to dwell. What is dwell? Dwell is the constant place. Constant means follower is constant. It neither goes upward or neither moves downward. It remains constant position. So keep a straight line. Here, for example, I show this is up stroke. So this is as a follower, knife edge follower. It is first at downward position. So it is outstroke. It is going slowly upwards. Okay, you can see it will go upwards. And for here dwell period, it remains constant from here to here. So this is known as dwelling. It neither goes downwards, it neither moves upward. It remains constant. Now we will come to return stroke. Here it is also of 60 degrees, means 6 centimeters. We have to divide this into 6 equal parts. Let us divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now join this vertically upwards. Keep numbering here also, but not like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but in reverse manner. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0, because it is the return stroke. So we have to keep numbering on opposite way. So again we have to see the intersecting points. First we will see this 6 and this 6 intersecting point, which is here. And now for this 5 and this 5, which will be, see, it is here. Okay, and for this 4 and this 4, it is somewhat, it is coming here. And for this 3 and this 3, we will see where it is intersecting. The point is intersecting here. Now for this 2 and this 2, it is coming here, and for this one it is coming this 2. Oh, sorry, for one it is coming here. Okay, highlight these points. This is for 6, this is for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is for 0. Now again join all these points by using smooth curve. Highlight this curve. This is the curve for return stroke. You can see here that the outstroke is and the return stroke are similar, means this looks as the replica of each other. Okay, the remaining angle is the dwell period, so we have to make a constant line, straight line here. Okay, so thus our displacement diagram for simple harmonic motion has completed. Hope you all have understood this. If you understood and like our video, then please subscribe our channel. Let's learn. Thank you.